Yeah, man. Yeah, this is Joshua's programming episode 33. Last episode, we went through how to convert an integer to a double. This episode, I'm going to go through how you can convert a double to an integer. If you haven't seen episode 32, go back one and watch int to double conversion. I'm going to go over the opposite of that, double to int. It's the same process, is very easy. Let's get into it. So if I have a double right here, yeah, let's call it D value. Alright, I'm gonna set that to 752. Right? After that, all you have to do is one line of code to really convert it. Right? So what we want to do is create an integer value. Let's call that I value equals D value dot int value. I believe that's what the method is called, right? And after that, we're gonna system.out the following. Let's do I value, because I value actually has the converted value that is from the double to int. Right? Let's go and output this, and we should get the answer being 25. Now, obviously, in mathematics, if you want to have something that is a whole number and then there's decimals on the right hand side of that number, if it is something along the lines from 1 to 4, you'll round up. So if this was 25.4, right, that will equal 25. You round down. But if this was 25.5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, right, you'll go to 26. Now, what I've realized is that does not happen with this. If you have a value that is something like 25.9, in reality, if we go by maths and we round it to the next whole number, it should be 26. Even 75 or 51 is 26, right? But when you have a conversion from a double to an integer, it will always be the initial whole number. No matter how close it is to the next whole number, it will always be whatever is on the left hand side. Yeah, so if we do 2.9999, right, well, we're gonna get 25 still. So there you go. Obviously, I'm gonna find ways. I'm gonna look up myself how I can, somehow round to the nearest whole. Other than that, yeah, man, that's how you will convert a double to an integer value. There's also double to string. There's many other conversions that I will go through. I may even make this as its own YouTube playlist in itself. But as always, like, subscribe, share. Do you gotta do and carry on programming. And yeah, peace out, man.